How to set password in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp. Tap three dots at the top right and navigate to settings. Tap account. Now choose two-step verification option and tap turn on button. Enter your 6-digit PIN and after that you can add email in case you forget your PIN. Tap add email or you can tap escape as well. Now enter your email address and a verification code will be sent or you need to verify your email address. Now after that tap three dots at top right again. Choose settings option. Go ahead and tap chats and scroll to the bottom. And make sure that you have chat backed up. Come back. After that tap privacy option and now choose app lock and toggle the button on for app lock, and this will help you to unlock with biometric and enter your biometrics. After that you need to lock immediately after 1 minute or after 3rd minute, that is depending on you. If you wish to show content in notification, toggle the button on. Now you need to completely exit WhatsApp, and whenever you open WhatsApp, you will be required to enter your biometrics and two-step verifications. And that's it. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.